Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best rice cookers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Zojirushi NS-ZCC1 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker. This rice cooker from Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 can think. Well, yes it can, as it is equipped with a thinking technology that helps you in several ways. This self-thinking technology, or invention as you would call it, is known as neuro-thinking logic technology that ensures you get perfectly cooked and warmed meals every time. With the automatic temperature adjustment feature, it makes it sure that your meal is not overcooked or burnt, hence providing you with a fresh, warm and fuzzy meal. This is not enough, it also has some additional features like the automatic keep warm feature. There is an extended keep warm feature, and with the help of reheat cycles, your food stays warm for a long period. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Midea 4017-12 Preset Energy Efficient Rice Cooker. If you want more than just cooking rice, then this best rice cooker from Midea can help you with that. It is perfect and ideal to cook rice including other meals that you want to eat. With this rice cooker you might want to replace your stove, just kidding. The front of the rice cooker is equipped with an LCD panel that will aid you in navigating around 12 presets that are inbuilt to choose your preferred cooking style. The preset feature includes various opportunities to cook food, such as it will help you in cooking rice, white rice, brown rice, congee, baby porridge, oatmeal, soup, steam, slow cook, and with the reheat technology feature you can delay timer to up to 24 hours. This product can be a perfect addition to your kitchen, and it also saves you time and effort in cooking food. At number 3, we have the T-fal RK70585110 in 1 rice and multi-cooker. If you are looking for a fully packed rice cooker, then this can be the best rice cooker for your kitchen, as it offers you the feasibility of 10 different functions with a large capacity of 10 cups. This best rice cooker from T-fal RK705851 can be proven to be 10 times efficient than other rice cookers. Is 10 times better. The large food storage capacity makes it ideal for larger meals, and it can provide meals for large families. Like the previous one, it had 12, but this one has 10 preset functions that will help you in saving time and effort for cooking rice, risotto, reheat, oatmeal, slow cook, steam, soup, yogurt, baking, browning. With that, it also provides you with an automatic keep warm feature, as it uses the technology of Neuro Fuzzy to use its thinking capability while cooking food. At number 2, we have the Aroma Housewares ARC994SB Rice Cooker. Well, now coming towards the best rice cooker that you can get from the online market. This rice cooker can be the ideal fit for your kitchen, as it offers you with multiple features to aid you in cooking food in no time. With the 7 automation controls, you can separately control your cooking food according to your requirements as you can cook. With double capacity variants, this can be effective in cooking food for large families or in large quantities. Now you can have a nutritious meal and healthy meal that can help you in staying fit and healthy. And finally, at number 1, we have the Cuckoo CR0631F Multifunctional Micom Rice Cooker. This best rice cooker from Cuckoo CR0631F can be the ideal choice, as it fulfills every need and requirement that you have to cook a meal. With a basic design approach and basic function layout, this is easy to use, and it makes perfect food. The fuzzy logic technology allows this rice cooker to think while cooking food, as it is a chef cooking food for your family. The functions include multiple cooking modes through which you can cook all types of rice and some special kinds of rice such as gaba rice and brown rice. With this in your house, you require no skill to cook such a variety of rice for your meal. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.